I have in my hand the Edition Proton HD satellite receiver. This is a fantastic receiver in terms of the picture quality, the range of channels we can get on it, and also the price point that comes in it. It's also available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. So the format of this video is I'm just going to give an overview of exactly the interface on it, all the channels that are pre-programmed on it, and then we'll go into a little bit more detail exactly with the power unit that comes with it, okay? So what I'll do is hop up in my seat here now. So the first thing we do when we're bringing in things is we just come along and we just go directly in, we'll say, to the channels that are available. So we have them grouped into different sections here. So we actually come along here, what we could do is I could just hit the red button here and we'll go into the favorites list. And what we're seeing here is the entertainment channels list, for instance. If I go in here, we'll see here that we have the BBCs, the ITVs, Channel 4, property shows, all the rest of it, and they're available in groups of 10, 3 across the screen, so 30 to go. It's extremely easy to navigate through all the BBCs, ITV in a very logical format. If we come back and hit the red button here, we can go back into the favourites. We can see we can do the same with the movies, the same with our special interests, all the rest of it. So we come all the way to the bottom here, we'll say, we could just go in here and we come down, we'll say, as far as EWTN, and just pull that up. And if we just exit out at that point here, we'll just see we just have a channel there. So it's high definition, it has a USB port on it, so we're able to come along, and we have the media player options on it as well. So there's a range of functionality in terms of the overall thing. If we look at the front of the box here, we'll see we have the USB port here on it. And that's where we can add on, let's say, a USB key for either upgrading the firmware on the box, for adding on the media player, for adding recording facilities. And if we rotate and look at the back of the box, what we have here is we have the option here. The satellite input is here. We have the HDMI output here. We have the IR output here as well, where we could feed this to an eye if we wanted to hide it away, which would be an option, but doesn't come by default with the box. And then we have an AV output. If you're trying to use it in an older TV, you could use an AV or you could use a 3.5mm over to a SCART or an RCA lead. And finally, what we have is our power input here. The outer box it comes in is the Edition here, and if we look at the power unit here, so we can see it's an external power unit on it, and in terms of the requirement on it here, it's 12 volts and 1.5 amps. So we have stickers here which you can use for mounting the box and discreetly hiding it away, and we see the set of AAA batteries and the remote itself here. So very, very impressive from that perspective. So Edition themselves are a great company to deal with. Some of their premium products would be, up the very, very high end of the market. So they do a very, very extensive range. So in terms of the lower cost products we have, we concentrate very heavily on Edition, simply because they are both high quality to design, they give extended warranty periods on it, and also extremely low levels of return. So for us and for our customers, it proves to be a huge success on it. And they're a huge brand in Germany in particular, and that's really where we found them at a trade show over there some years ago, and we've built a huge partnership with them over the years. So again, the Edition Proton HD satellite receiver, available with free delivery from freetv.ie.